Today we're gonna go take a tour of a museum. Next to the center of the world is this museum. We have no idea what to expect from Museo Intiñan? Intiñan. This may be the coolest museum entrance in the world, and that's coming from somebody who worked at Metropolitan Museum of Art. The real 00000.
So this is the coordinates?
Yes, that's where we parked. It's $5 per person, 45 minutes to 1 hour tour. Just the entrance alone is so cool. I hope they have a cafeteria or something. Okay, I just see. I'm doing some tourist shopping. I want that shirt.
Intiñan Museum. Yeah, obviously the main topic of this place is the latitude 000. We're gonna see that line, okay? But before to see that, the place where we are. About my country, traditions, people, music, beliefs, food, okay my friends? And we're gonna start this tour in one of the most important places in this museum, the kitchen. Because practically here, this museum was born, okay? This kitchen was built in 1875. This was a kitchen. That's the indigenous stove. It has 3 rocks, 2 big, that means mom and dad, and small one, the children, that is the family. All of the smoke over the years creates this black substance that makes the roof waterproof. And this was kind of fridge, well, like a refrigerator, because here the meat was hanging.
See there.
For example, she used to sell chicha and also cuy. The chicha, my friends, is the local drink. It's a fermented corn drink, very popular among people here. The cuy is the guinea pig. We call them cuy for the noise that they make. There we have guinea pigs. They're alive.
Are they real?
And they're pretty quiet, yeah.
They have guinea pigs in here. Traditionally, they eat guinea pigs because it's good protein. The tour guide was saying if a guest is bad, they will start doing kui sounds. They are very quiet. That means we are good guests.
So my friends, here we are in the Amazon. The Amazon represents 48% of all the territory here. So practically the Amazon is almost the half of Ecuador. And here we have several of interesting animals. Dangerous and not dangerous animals. This is a fish and it has the name of candiru or canero. But the people in the Amazon call them the vampire fish. Because this, my friends, is a trap for the ammonia that the urine contains. So for example, if a person is naked, if a person is peeing inside the river in the Amazon, this fish is gonna be a trap for the ammonia, and guess what? This is gonna enter. This is only a baby, my friends. A baby.
Yeah.
Because the biggest could be the double of size of this. Okay? But don't worry, this is not dangerous for us because, you know, it's already dead. This is 6 meters long, but the biggest could be 10 or 12. We also have 2 boa constrictors, my friends. All of these animals live in completely harmony with this character. This is the Shuar community, and they are very well known for the practice of the sansa. Sansa literally is a shrunken head, a human head. This is only a replica, but I will show you a real shrunken head. Okay? Here we have a real shrunken head.
They took up the brain?
Of course. Without bones, without organs, you know, because it's called impossible. I'm gonna be your guide, okay? We are just starting. I'm sorry for this welcome. A human head. Well, this is only a replica, but this is a real one.
You know what? I've always wondered how they made one. Now I know. Like somebody said, this is a how-to.
Yeah.
We got a great tour of how do you make a shrunken head. Isa, what are your thoughts? Scary?
No one should do the hat.
Welcome to an original Guarani house. And I said original because it was Guarani people who built all of this in only 3 days. So how many people do you think could live in a place like this? 30. A little less.
20.
Perfect. From 15 to 20 people. Do you remember the Shuar community, the Shrunken Heads? Here we have the Guarani community. Quito, in the highland part. Quito is the capital of this country, and Quito means in the middle of everything in a native language. Why? Because we are. This is a blowgun, this is a blowgun. Quitus were the first people here 2,000 years ago, before the Incas from Peru and before the Spaniards. Actually, the original name of my city should be Quito and not Quito, because in the Incas language, that is the Quechua, the letter U doesn't exist. So from Quito to Quito. The complete name of my city is San Francisco de Quito, or Saint Francis of Quito. Welcome to the real latitude 000. Right now we are just on the middle of the planet, my friends. But hey, you, my friends, you are in the middle of the planet because we are in the northern hemisphere, and now we are in the southern hemisphere. That is north, south, east, and west. The latitude 000 is crossing all of the planet for 14 countries, including my country. So the question is, why my country is considered the middle of the world? Because we have a better marketing. We are considered the middle of the planet because we are in the largest and the widest part of the entire planet. So we are in the farthest part from the core and the closest to the sun. Here I have some good news for you. Here you lose 1 kilogram of weight, 2.2 pounds. Here, my friends, we could jump higher because we are lighter, okay? But why? Remember, farthest part from the core. That is less gravity. This is a solar calendar. My ancestors long ago used this as an agricultural calendar. Here, okay, we have the planting process. When the seed is here, the seed begins to germinate. The plant begins to grow. When the seed is here, we collect the grains. We have the harvest process. And this is the last quadrant, June, July, and August. Work, 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 and the best. We have party, party, party. Colors, elements, but no seasons. Here we only have dry season and rainy season.
That season.
It's a little boring.
No, I think
But what you see here is always the real time. The natural time according to the movement of the planet. And here we have a commercial time. Because here the day has 24 hours. But the day doesn't have 24 hours. The day has 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds. In 1 year, we will have 6 hours of residual. So
That's
if you
why
add
we
this,
have a
in the
leap
second year, we will have 12, then 18, and the year number 4, 24. So that's why we have the leap year, my friends. So add 1 day each 4 years in February 29. The next year, we will have a leap year. Now, this sundial has 2 faces, north and south. And if you see the south face, you won't find time until September, because during 6 months the sun is here. By Greenwich, the exactly middle of the planet should be here, my friends, next to Africa. Okay? Why? Because here we have 0 with longitude and 0 with latitude. But what's the problem here? Here we have nothing on the ocean. Greenwich, the planet has 4 quadrants: 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 0 degrees, and 90 degrees. So 90 degrees next to Indonesia. Nothing. Only ocean. Now let's see the last quadrant. And surprise, surprise. Ecuador, but no the continental one, but in the Galapagos. The place where you could find longitude and latitude on land. I mean, by Greenwich. Okay? One of the 4 quadrants. So that's why, my friends, we are considered the middle of the planet. 4 facts: longitude, latitude, altitude, and yeah, marketing. You have to know that the planet always rotates from west to east.
Right, so we are at the tail end of the tour. We are on the equator line. We were completely blown away by this place, by the experiments that we did right at the border. We have seen tons of YouTube videos on water spinning one way. We took that tub one side, the water spin clockwise, and on this side counterclockwise, and right on that equator line, the water fell down. I was talking to a gentleman here. We wouldn't have believed it if we watched it on YouTube. So
We enjoyed every moment of this tour, from the history lessons to the experiments, all the fun elements of this tour. We loved it. At first, we weren't sure if we should take the tour, but I'm so glad we did it, and it was so worth it.
It was a real pleasure to meet you guys. Please enjoy your stay here in my country. Egg masters, the people who balance.
Hand up.
There you go. I will give you your diplomas.
at the end of the tour, bring your passport because right next to the Ecuador stamp, they will give you the stamp that you were officially on the equator 0000.
You could put first 28 and.
All right.
And we're getting our egg certificates.
Of course. Let me put my name here as a witness. So, my friend, you are officially an egg master.
Yay. Write the date.
Egg master.
Okay, so they do have toilets here, a cafe, a restaurant of sorts, wall of stickers, and also some shopping. Here's a Nisa sticker here, or here's a Nisa sticker right next to TripAdvisor. Here's a quick challenge. If any of our subscriber, follower, just watching this video, if you come to this spot, look for a sticker, take a picture, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and then you can tag us.
Keze, what was the most interesting part of this tour?
Anaconda.
Anaconda.
Okay, Mom,
Yeah.
let's go.
Definitely not the shrunken heads.
Yeah. Isa.
We did like some tests with the equator. That was like so cool.
The experiments, right? That was my favorite too. Yes, 2 thumbs up.
Okay, come check out this museum. We're gonna put some links so you guys know where to come. We're gonna exit down.
From
Follow,
here.
like, subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.
Very good start. Okay? Yeah. This is a very good start, my friends, because, yeah.
Isa's
you
bad
have very
energy.
good energy.
Here's the egg master. You did an excellent job.